No. What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors, some of the most loved ones and most well-known on YouTube. So that's what you're going to be seeing in today's video with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from the channel. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Slava Semeshko.
Но Анастасия все время, в принципе, жалуется на правую сторону. Вправляем поясничный отдел, вытяжение, расслабились. Так, берем таз. Вот как раз у нас этот сегмент сочленения ребер и позвонков сейчас стали. Теперь более-менее нормально с левой стороны. По диагонали идет растяжечка, крестец, поясничный отдел. Так, здесь все в норме. И оттягиваем крестец в правую сторону. Ну, вот он как раз. Сейчас переходим к грудному отделу. От нижнего грудного вверх идут движения. Вдох, выдох, расслабились. Угу. Хорошо. Расслабили. Хорошо. Все, прекрасно. Расслабили. Угу. Расслабили. На эту сторону поворачиваем голову. Здесь упор грудной клетки, верхний грудной отдел. Расслабились. Хорошо. Теперь нижний грудной. Так, замочек получше, да. Локти вместе. Группируемся. Их еще чуть-чуть расслабились. Чуть-чуть. Так. Угу. Хорошо. Чуть-чуть R5. Вот, хорошо. Здесь от угла зависит и ноги, и положение поясницы, вот где угол формируется. Здесь сейчас сформировался, мы данный сегмент и вправили. Сейчас одна из вариаций вправления тазобедренного сустава. Расслабили. Где больно? Где больно? Вот так. Не больно? Ну так, на грани и страшновато, наверное, да? Расслабься. Здесь в порядке. Все. Лордоз у нас выпрямлен. Потом мы немножко шея, чтобы голова назад была и в анатомически правильное положение лордоз формируем. Потом ищется угол, вправляется. Расслабили. Да, еще. Ну. Сейчас здесь мышцы пальпируются, не только мышцы, еще и позвонки, боковые отростки. Расслабили. Угу. Еще. Хорошо. Если по правой стороне идет, то на правую сторону был. И пошла сейчас. Делаем декомпрессию. В анатомически правильное положение выставляем шею, шейный лордоз. Потом челюсть закрыта должна быть.
Хорошо?
Хорошо, сейчас протяжечку сделаем, в грудном сразу легче станет. Спинку расслабь, это протяжечка. После декомпрессии хорошо для грудного дела проделать протяжку. Прижми подбородочек грудной клетки, ставится на 7-й шейный, пальцы вот и с протяжкой пробивается. Вдох делаем глубокий, задерживаем. Плечи опустили.
Next up, we have Dr. Scott Mitchell and Dr. Matt Delgado.
Cool. And what we noticed was there was a lot of right-sided stuff going on. And it all starts from down here. When I take the leg length out, we see, oh, I'm sorry, the leg slack out, we see the right leg is slightly shorter than the left. And as I come up, they get perfectly even. The thing, if I go like this, does that cause any tension in the low back, or does that feel okay?
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit. Is it kind of like right inside here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is a little bit more difficult to notice, but can you feel that your right heel goes closer to your butt than your left?
Actually, yes.
Yeah. Just to move is that it's supposed to rock back and forth like this. What we have going on is that right hip is rocked backwards, causing this leg to come up. And when this leg comes up, it creates rotation in the sacrum. And then, there you go, you can rest your head right there. Yeah, no, we got some hair, girl. You rest right there. Sweet, and I want you to bend the top one, straighten the bottom. And you kind of come around this way.
This is where I hug myself.
This way you give yourself a nice big hug because you love yourself, right? It's right in here. I'm just gonna kind of contact that and rock it down. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, relax that low back.
I'm trying.
Beautiful. Not bad, right?
Oh, it's so like, my whole body feels so tight today.
Mhm.
That feels better, but
Yeah.
yeah, like.
Which is gonna be on this side. So I'll have you bend the top leg again. Nice, yeah, just like that. I'll steal this arm from you just a little bit. There we go, nice big hug. Cool. Just like this. Nice, and you're gonna relax that. Perfect. Wow. It's been a little while, huh? How did that feel?
It felt like when you're eating chicken wings and you break those little tiny bones apart.
So luckily we didn't break any bones though, right?
But it felt like that sounds.
Yes. Let's have you go face down again. We'll see the change that we made. On here. Yep, you can't make that up. Perfectly even. Staying even. Does that even feel a little bit smoother?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, much better. So let us know that the pelvis is level.
Awesome.
Good. So if the organs are working better, it means we have less stress on our body. Mm-hmm. If we have less stress on our body, we can feel less anxious and less depressed too.
Yay.
Yay. So let's see. Now I can start to work my way up. Nice. Yeah, so today, let's see. Yeah, so right inside here, we got the bone right there rocked over to the side. Actually, your head, I'm just gonna kind of bring it over like this.
Okay.
Nice, good.
We're not gonna snap it, right?
No, just right over here, good. Beautiful.
You tricked me.
Just a little. But how'd that feel?
It felt good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And that's the thing is when you're nice and gentle at the right area, it just moves perfectly. Nice, and then right inside here. Let me have you turned over so you're face up, please.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, we are Rapunzel right now. Here we go.
It's everywhere.
Look at this. Cool, and this is kind of right in the center of her back. So basically, when you are a little bit more hunched over, that area can start to push back. It's called T6. And when T6 pushes back, it doesn't allow the rib cage to expand and contract as effectively, which means less oxygen to your body, which means less oxygen to your brain, which can lead to a lot of anxiety or depression or just different things like that. And go right here. Good. Nice. Breath in. And then all the way out. Amazing. Good. There we go.
Love that.
Yes. Best hugs in Texas?
Yes.
Nice. And actually open up your arms nice and wide too. It feels really good after that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like you can breathe better.
Yeah. I feel like a cloud.
Feel like a cloud? Come over here to Lakshmi Chiropractic. Put your hands on your stomach for me. You can stay right there. Because I'm just going to feel some different areas in your neck just to see what's going on. And more so on our right side. It's been acting a little funky. And one of the things we notice is right here, C2 is pushed over to the side on the right. Have you been getting a lot of headaches lately too, or not?
Yeah, actually I have.
So there's an area right there that we need to be able to put back in place, but let me have you sit up and face the doorway for me.
Okay.
Just want to check it like that, just to double check.
Face the doorway?
Yes, just like that. And you can leave your hair, I can just move it around, so that's good. Yeah, so definitely right inside there. Right there. And I just find that sweet spot, and then all it would be was like a little pull, like that.
Mm.
So it's totally up to you.
I'm too nervous.
No, that's totally fine, that's totally fine. We got this cool little tool right here. It's called the TRT, or torque release technique. And it basically cocks back and you apply pressure. And it's a way to help adjust that area without having to do any popping or cracking. So I'm gonna do that same spot right there. Good, and that's why I need to look up a little bit. Nice, and a little push. Beautiful.
Not bad.
Not bad, right? A little punch to the neck on a Friday afternoon. Nice.
It just feels really good. It feels like when you wring a towel out, but you're the towel. So if you were to just wring your body out and then just shake it a little and then dries in the sun, it's magical.
I need to hire you just for analogies. That's really good. So we love analogies here because it helps people understand things better, but damn, I haven't heard that one before.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna go relax now.
I'm gonna take a, people either want to go, run a marathon or go take a nap after they get adjusted. So in this case, it's gonna be nap time.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.